Have you ever noticed how some individuals seem to have a knack for multiplying their wealth, while many of us struggle to make ends meet? It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Today, we're diving into the world of wealth building, but not in the way you might expect. Forget the traditional advice you've heard a million times. Instead, we're exploring 5 unique strategies given by Warren Buffett that have the power to transform your financial future. Did you know that according to a recent study, over 60% of millionaires have 3 or more streams of income? That's just a sneak peek into the kind of smart moves we're talking about. Building wealth isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. It requires a mix of savvy investment choices, tax smarts, and sometimes thinking outside the box. So whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your financial portfolio, these strategies are designed to give you a fresh perspective on how to grow your wealth. Let's unlock these uncommon yet powerful tactics and set you on the path to financial success. Now let's dive into our first strategy: investing in niche markets. When we talk about investments, the usual suspects like stocks and real estate often come to mind. But there's a whole world of opportunity in niche markets that many overlook. These are specialized areas that might not be mainstream, but hold incredible potential for growth. Think about renewable energy a decade ago, or the current burgeoning market for electric vehicles. These were once considered niche, but those who invested early have seen remarkable returns. A great example is the electric car industry. Just a decade ago, electric cars were a rarity. Today, they're on the brink of becoming mainstream, with the global electric car market expected to reach over $800 billion by 2027. That's a leap from just $162 billion in 2019. Investing in niche markets does require some research and a bit of risk-taking. It's about identifying trends before they become the next big thing. The key is to start small, do your homework, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself ahead of the curve. Remember, the biggest risks often accompany the greatest rewards. Moving on to our second strategy, utilizing tax advantages. It's not just about how much you earn, it's also about how much you keep. And understanding the intricacies of tax laws can be a game changer in your wealth building journey. Many wealthy individuals and successful businesses have mastered the art of legally maximizing their earnings by minimizing their tax liabilities. For instance, did you know that contributing to retirement accounts like a 401(k) or an IRA can significantly reduce your taxable income? Or that certain investments, such as municipal bonds, offer tax-free interest income? It's surprising to learn that only a small percentage of people take full advantage of these opportunities. In fact, a study reveals that about 40% of Americans are not maximizing their tax benefits, which means they're leaving money on the table. Starting to learn about taxes might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. You can begin by consulting a tax professional or utilizing online resources designed for beginners. Small steps can lead to big savings over time. Remember, in the world of wealth building, it's not just about earning more, it's also about optimizing what you already have. Next up, strategy 3, creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income, like your day job, can be risky. Diversifying your income sources not only enhances financial security, but also accelerates wealth building. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. The idea is to have different streams of income, which could include a side business, freelance work, rental income, or even earning from investments. Did you know, as per a recent survey, more than 65% of millionaires have at least 3 streams of income? This diversification is a key factor in their financial stability and growth. Starting an additional income stream doesn't necessarily mean overwhelming yourself. It could be as simple as turning a hobby into a small online business or investing in a rental property. The internet has made it easier than ever to create and find opportunities. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, stock photography, or teaching online courses, the possibilities are endless. Strategy 4, network with successful individuals. The saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with," holds a lot of truth, especially in the realm of wealth building. Surrounding yourself with people who have achieved financial success can provide invaluable insights and opportunities. Networking isn't just about making contacts, it's about learning from those who have walked the path you're on. For example, a survey of high net worth individuals revealed that many attribute a portion of their success to the guidance and advice they received from their network. These relationships can open doors to new investment opportunities, business partnerships, and mentorship. Start by joining local business groups, attending industry seminars, or even participating in online forums. The key is to engage genuinely, offering value as well as seeking advice. Remember, building a strong network takes time, but the connections you make and the knowledge you gain can be invaluable in your journey to financial success. Moving forward to Strategy 5, develop financial literacy. It's startling but true. A lack of financial education is often the biggest barrier to wealth building. Understanding the basics of finance, like how to manage debt, invest wisely, and plan for retirement, can make a tremendous difference in your financial well-being. Studies indicate that individuals with higher financial literacy are more likely to avoid high-interest debt and save for their future. Yet, surprisingly, a significant portion of the population lacks basic financial knowledge. This gap can lead to missed opportunities and financial mistakes that are avoidable. You don't need to be a finance expert, but empowering yourself with financial knowledge is crucial. Start by reading books on personal finance, following reputable financial news sources, or even taking online courses. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, learning, and a willingness to explore paths less traveled. Start with one or two of these strategies, integrate them into your life, and gradually build upon them. Wealth building isn't reserved for a select few. It's accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort and think outside the box. Thank you for joining me in exploring these unconventional yet effective strategies. Here's to your financial success and a journey filled with learning and growth. Don't forget to stay tuned for more insights and tips in our upcoming videos.